I'm here because I wanted to talk to you about us and all that we've been through. I wanted to talk about me and you. I remember when we first met. You didn't know who you were yet. I didn't know who I was. We grew up together. You've never had more fun with anyone else, and you know it. I'll always be there.
DJ William.
The mix.
Ang nagbigay sa puso ko ng tunay na pagmamahal na di mapapalit.